guys, what's going on? It's your boy Styleband8 and welcome back to my channel and to today's video. First things first, I've realised it's a little bit echoey. I have got a mic and all that kind of stuff, but it's still, the past couple of videos has still been a little bit echoey. But just bear with me guys, I am going to sort it. I'm going to order a new mic and yeah, just try and figure this out. So some of you may already know, but I am completely switching up my style. We're doing a big 180. I'm ready to come out of my comfort zone. We're going to pull away from the spray-on skinny jeans and cover these up with some wide leg shit. So that being said, I'm going to be showcasing to you some of the pieces that I've acquired like over the past couple of weeks while I've been back on this YouTube thing. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what I got, show you some of my favourites, and we're going to start from the bottom up. So the first item that I'm going to show you is this pair of wide leg trousers. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, let's take these out of the packaging to start with. But yeah, as you can see, item number one is these pair of wide leg trousers, black. Everything I'm going to be showcasing today, I'm going to stick in the description box below, so if you want to go and check them out, go and check them out below. But I caught these from ASOS. These are 100% polyester, so they're super, super flowy. They're like slightly cropped, slightly high-waisted, very out of my comfort zone. But these are so nice, man. Like I said, these are 100% polyester, so they're super, super flowy. They're not like a heavy cotton or anything like that, you know, they're really light, nice and flowy. Yeah, they're cropped in the length. They're like a perfect wide leg trouser, in my opinion. So we've got these in black, and we also got them in this camel color, which are so buff, man. Come on. Right, let's take these out of the packaging, give you a better look. Come on, look at these. These are so nice, man. You can just tell that they're like super, super flowy. Such a nice fabric, nice and soft. Wow. Yeah, this is really out of my comfort zone, but I'm super excited to see what I can do with these, see how I can style them. So yeah, be on the lookout for some videos in the next like 2 or 3 weeks. We're going to be styling all this. Super excited for that, but yeah, come on, look at these. But yeah, so we got these in the black and in the camel. These retailed in at £40. They're on, like I said, they're on ASOS. I think they're an exclusive to ASOS. They are, I think they're called the Noke. I think that's how you pronounce it. Nevertheless, as I said, I'll link everything in the description box below, so go and check them out. But these were very limited in the sizing. I got these in a 32 waist, 30 length. Like I said, I wanted that crop look. But yeah, so nice. So that is the first 2 pairs of trousers. So on to item number 3, and that is again another pair of wide leg trousers. This time we got them, oh come on, oh shit, in a nice grey. We got like the pinstripe going down. These are slightly thicker. These are 100% wool. Still such a buff pair of trousers, man. As you can see, they're nice and wide in the leg. But yeah, another insane piece. I'll probably rock this with like a white t-shirt tucked in, and then on top layered over, I'll probably have like a white shirt, like a real boxy fit white shirt, short sleeve. I think that'll look pretty sick with like a pair of maybe like Balenciagas or like Calvin Klein, something like that. But yeah, one of my favourite pickups, the grey 100% wool wide leg trousers. Also, as you can see, there's no like edit or like try on section on these items because I've got a super sick video planned, and it's going to be styling all these different outfits, so there's going to be loads of different styles, so I kind of don't want to take away a video idea just to have like a try on section in today's video. So yeah, that's kind of why there's no like edit or anything like that. As you guys know, I would normally like include like a bit of a cinematic edit or something. But yeah, unfortunately in today's pickups video, there's not going to be a try on section, but just keep an eye out in the next couple of videos. I'm going to be styling all these pieces. Super excited about that. But the next item, I've already made a video on these, so I'm not going to talk too much about them. But the next piece is these Cole Buxton super heavyweight joggers. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it below. I'll put like a card up on the screen. Go check it out after this video. But yeah, these insane pair of joggers. Definitely go and check out that last video, but super heavy, like 500 GSM. Never have I ever had a pair of joggers that's such like insane quality, insane fit as these. Highly recommend. I got them in the The pigment dyed grey. I'm not going to talk loads about these because I've already made a full video on them, but obviously I had to include them. I had to include these joggers in this video just because that's how sick they are. And the next piece is a piece that I've actually been getting loads of questions about on my Instagram, because I've worn it in a few pictures and I've worn it in a few videos as well. It's this t-shirt. This oversized t-shirt I copped from Uniqlo. Obviously I'm rocking it now. So yeah, this is the only segment of today's video where you'll see a try on. But yeah, this oversized t-shirt is from Uniqlo. It's super heavyweight, super thick. It's got like a nice thick ribbon along the neck, which is what I like. Yeah, it is 100% cotton. It's like an oversized boxy fit. It's slightly cropped. I don't know if you can see it, but it is ever so slightly cropped in the body. But yeah, this is just such a sick t-shirt, and I got this in two colors. I got this in this like off-white type color, and we also, obviously, man's gotta get it in black. Yeah, if you are into like an oversized boxy fitting t-shirts, like basics, and you want like a nice thick ribbed neckline, just highly recommend you get this. As I said, I'll link it in the description below. But they do also sell it in store as well, because I've been in store and I've seen it. I'm 6 foot, guys. I got size large, and yeah, if you are on the market for like a nice oversized boxy fit basics tee, that's affordable, heavyweight, just an overall sick tee. If you're on the market for one, link in the description. I would highly recommend these Uniqlo bits. But on to the next item, which is the last item of today's video, and it is the oversized weekday bird hoodie in black. Actually, this only got delivered today, so it's still got the tag on it, but I am keeping it. But yeah, this is such a, the fit of this hoodie, ridiculously good. This is 8% cotton and 20% polyester. So basically, with it having that like polyester blend, it means there's a lot less chance of it like shrinking in the wash and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, a lot of cotton pieces do shrink in the wash, but with this having that poly blend, there's less chance of it actually shrinking. It's like an oversized fit, but it is slightly cropped in the body, which is something that I was definitely looking for. So I picked this up in a size large, and it retailed in at 35 quid, which I think is very reasonable. It's obviously slightly more expensive than your general high street stores like, I don't know, Top Man, River Island and all that, but it's definitely better quality. You can feel in the fabric's better quality, the fit, you know, you don't get this kind of fit in Top Man. Yeah, overall, I'm super happy with this hoodie. It's a definite cop. I'm actually buzzing to style this, so stay tuned for that video coming soon. But yeah, the weekday bird hoodie, a definite cop. And that is it, guys. That is gonna conclude today's video. That is all the pickups that I've kind of picked up over the past 2 weeks or so. Because like I said, I'm completely changing up my style. So it's going to be like a gradual process of basically buying a whole new wardrobe of clothes. So that is where we've started. And yeah, I'm super excited to see how I go about styling these and showcasing it to you guys. And that's going to be a video it's not going to be my next video, but maybe the one after that, because my next video, my idea for my next video, I want to ask you guys about it. But the idea that I've got for the next upload is a trip to the thrift. So I want you to let me know in the comment section below if you like the idea of this kind of concept. But basically, if you're not familiar with what a trip to the thrift is, basically what it is, firstly, it's going to be like a vlog style format. So instead of me just stood here chatting to the camera the whole video, so what it'll be is a vlog of me heading either into Liverpool or Manchester probably, and yeah, it'll be like a vlog style format, loads of sick little cinematic edits. We'll be hitting up all the vintage stores, trying to find some sick pieces. And yeah, like I said, there'll be loads of little different edits, showcasing the pieces, showcasing the shops and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's just something a little bit different. Instead of me just stood here on every single video, it'll be me getting out and about, like I said, in like a vlog style format. So let me know in the comment section below if that is something you want to see. If it is, then I will probably do that next, so that'll be on Sunday. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you do want to see it. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe down below. Let me know in the comment section below about the trip to the thrift. And I'll see you guys on Sunday. Peace.